Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of e-signatures, a fantastic tool for streamlining your business and getting documents signed fast. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the easiest one to use? Hey there, I'm Mahesh and I produce review videos on internet marketing products, business software and methods to make money online. Just picture this: if an ordinary Indian like me with English as my third language, crafting automated systems and making money in dollars, if I can do it, why not you? Begin your journey towards success by just adopting my recommended strategy to generate around $5,000 to $10,000 monthly from convenience of your home, even as a beginner. Simply visit the first link, register and dive into my complete free masterclass. Now in this video, we'll be comparing some of the most user-friendly e-signature software on the market. We'll cover what each one is about, its pros and cons, and of course the pricing. First up, we have Signaturely. This is a great option for those who prioritize a clean and intuitive interface. It's easy to upload documents, send them for signing, and track their progress. Signaturely offers a free plan with limited features and paid plans catered to different team sizes. Next, we have got DocuSign. This software is known for its robust security features, making it ideal for handling sensitive documents. DocuSign offers a variety of integrations with other business tools, but its pricing can be a bit higher compared to some competitors. Looking for an e-signature solution specifically designed for forms? Then Formstack Sign might be the one for you. It seamlessly integrates with popular form builders, making it easy to collect signatures directly within your forms. However, Formstack Sign's features may be a bit limited compared to some all-in-one e-signature platforms. Xodo Sign is another user-friendly option, particularly for those who work heavily with PDFs. It offers a smooth signing experience and integrates well with cloud storage services. While Xodo Sign has a free plan with basic features, some advanced functionalities require a paid subscription. Next up, Dropbox Sign, formerly known as HelloSign. It is a convenient choice if you already used Dropbox for file storage. It integrates seamlessly with Dropbox and offers a user-friendly interface for sending and signing documents. However, Dropbox Sign's free plan has limitations and its pricing structure can be a bit complex. PandaDoc takes e-signatures a step further by offering additional features like document editing and analytics. It's a great option for creating proposals and other interactive documents that require signatures. However, PandaDoc pricing can be on the higher end compared to some basic e-signature solutions. Last but not least, Signwell is a great choice for those who prioritize a mobile-friendly signing experience. Its app makes it easy to sign documents on the go from any smartphone or any tablet. While Signwell offers a free plan with limited features, paid plan unlocks additional functionalities. Now, by the end of this video, you should have a good idea of which e-signature software is the easiest and most suitable for your needs. Remember to consider factors like features, security, integrations, and pricing before making your decision. And don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions you might have and let me know which e-signature software you're curious to try. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch my complete free presentation. And if you're newly watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification, and it also be motivating me to create new content for you. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.